Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, let's go through the character stickers for this week. We do have two new pop culture stickers. So this one is 12 and 13. We have Boba Fett and Darth Vader. I thought I would release them at the same time since they are from the same little fandom there. Super stinking cute. Then the next thing here is we have Scribblers, and these are laundry Scribblers. So we have the normal 6 options for these Scribblers, which do match up to the FAMs. If you haven't bought any Scribblers yet and you have a FAM you normally go with, those will match up. So those will be available this week as well. Then we also do have the color of the week, which is this really pretty like blue toned periwinkle color. It comes in the normal 10 sheets. I will actually have some new doodles coming up soon, so I'm very excited about that. Maybe we'll even have enough to add on an 11th sheet, which will be very, very, very exciting. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Monday. There is a buy all bundle option for that as well. Then we do have another D-Stash bundle this week. Actually didn't check and see how the ones from last week are doing. Those were 10 old format foil bundles, so I'm not sure if we have any of those left. Let me go ahead and give a look. But this is the new D-Stash that will be coming this week. Actually, where did it even go? Okay, so there are some of those available still. So if you want, that will be in the new release section as well. So let's go ahead through this one. This one is going to be 4 Misfit mini kits and 4 solid old format foil bundles, and it's going to be $19.95. So it's like the same price point as the old Misfit mini kits if you would have bought 4 of those, and then you kind of get these for free. Plus you can use any coupons that you would have used in your order and order it with other things, which is nice. So let's go through this. This is obviously an example. The mini kits are the ones with glitter headers in the kit. I'll flip through it, but they're not the newest format with like the split bottom washi. But let's go ahead into it. So this is an example of what you'd get. So right here is 4 of these solid foil bundles. So you have this like one that was a Christmas one in silver, a white with silver, a marble with gold, and this one was a Halloween one with hollow. And then this is the 4 in this bundle in particular. This is the Duke and I kit, the Up kit, the Bell kit, and then also the Cat Cafe. And then the format might vary slightly, but it is like a similar format. Like there might be some slight changes, but I don't think there was many in this mini kit format as far as changes. The glitter headers are in these. It's just this format. So you always know if it's a mini kit because it doesn't come with the freebie. It comes with a foil freebie, which is probably a better value. So that is exciting. So I think these are pretty limited, and usually if they involve kits, they do sell out pretty quickly. So definitely if you want to pick up some Misfit minis and then get your like basically your free foil bundles, you can do so. If you do order more than one, we can't guarantee the difference though, but Kirsten tries to pull from different areas of how she like pre-assembled these. So if you order 1 or if you order 2, she'll try and like pull in different areas, but can't guarantee because they're already pre-packed. So that's all in the description, and the same for any of our D-Stash stuff. Let's go ahead and go through the kits this week. Let's have a Seance first. I saw this art and I was in love. All the kits this week do come in a mini and an ultimate, of course, with add-on options. I love this set. I love this colorway. I feel like it's similar to the one from last year, but a little bit different from Darcy. And I just love how she uses like fun, different colorways for like not classic holidays, but like, you know, your big holidays. So this one is just a very nice like pink Halloween set with the pop of the green and the orange. I just think it's so fun. So you have your 2 fashion options here: flat lays, movies, candles, seance, supplies. And this one, I just feel like the foil options are so many good options. I feel like any of the blacks that we have in shop would be really fun. You could do silver, you could do a matte silver, you could do hollow, sparkly hollow, a pink, you could do an orange, a green. It's gonna be so good. I think I might use an orange foil. I just think that'd be really fun, at least for the underlays, and then maybe use a black foil. This is like a dark cool toned blue, like really, really dark, like leaning black, but not quite black. But I think I might use that and then maybe some orange, or maybe see if I can find a green that would match. I don't know. And I'm just obsessed with this pattern. When I saw it, I like gasped. And then there's another fashion box here in the tall box. So that is Let's Have a Seance, and it will be available in Minion Ultimate. I am definitely using this year in my main planner. I just think it's too cute to pass up. The add-on options, you have the functional, there's the doodles, there is the ombre, the label sampler, and then the extra color, which is this cute pink. Obsessed. Love that one. Then there is an autumn kit called Pumpkin Spice. Also does come in a mini kit. Let's go ahead and flip through her real quick. I love the like muted neutral kind of palette here. It's just so pretty and perfect for fall. I feel like this one would be really pretty with the matte bronze, matte silver foil bundle. Or you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do a mixed middle of those two. I feel like a matte foil, like even rose, would be really pretty with this. Or an orange, because orange isn't one of like the main colors, but it's still in there. It's just such a pretty fall set. I'm trying to think if I have any other fall art to go. I'm not sure, but this one is super, super cute. And then this is the freebie in the Minion Ultimate, is an extra double box scene. And again, this is Pumpkin Spice, and I'll go ahead and show y'all all of the add-on options for this one as well. So you do have the doodles if you want to add them on. The functional, there's two different fashion options. There's fashion 1 and fashion 2. There is the extra color along with the label sampler, and then the ombre heart checklist. So those are all of the add-on options for Pumpkin Spice. And last but not least, I've gotten a lot of requests to reformat this over the years, and since the new movie's coming out, I was like, all right, let's do it. Let's go. This is older custom exclusive art from Jess. So I am very excited because it's so dark, and I love a dark kit with foil. It's just everything. So this is Sanderson Sisters, and it is my very, very old Hocus Pocus art. It was exclusive art by Jess, and this art is so cute still. It's very like if the Hocus Pocus girls were planner girls. So you have like the book, but it's like a planner, and then you have the sisters along with like a little planner desk with little feet hanging, and then you have Binks and the I Put a Spell on You on a cup, the washi stack. It's just so dang cute. I did do a little Hocus Pocus movie marquee. You have a planner stack and like the little hand. The freebie is the hand and the different skin tone options. But I am obsessed with these colors. I feel like black foil would be really cool with this, but you could basically pair it with any type of purple. I think it'd be really fun, or like a dark green if you have it, or you could just do silver. You could do sparkly hollow, but I think those would be really, really fun. You have the book and then also the black, and then you have the book pattern here, which I think would be perfect for a quote box. I'm pretty sure one of our Halloween quote boxes has I Put a Spell on You on it, which would be perfection. Then let me show you all of the add-on options. You have the doodles, you have the ombre, the functional, the label, and then the extra color, which is this really pretty burnt orange, orangey brown color. Obsessed. Love it. Super cute. I'll probably use that one in my work planner this year. I am like already running out of spots for Halloween. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm like, because I always have Bennett's birthday, and we're going to Disney, and there's something else going on that I needed a kit for, but there's just so many good things going on in October that I need kits for, and it's getting very, very, very close. Like, what am I going to use? I don't know yet. So that is everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. They'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.